Did you know that your sense of smell is the only one of your 5 senses that connects directly to your brain's emotional center? While everything you see and hear has to travel through multiple processing stations, scent molecules hit your limbic system instantly. That's why a single whiff can transport you back to your childhood bedroom or make you feel confident before a big meeting. But here's the crazy part. Most people are walking around with a fragrance collection that's basically random bottles they grabbed without any strategy. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jesse, and I'm glad you clicked on this video. Today, we're changing that. I'm taking you on the journey to build the ultimate fragrance wardrobe from absolutely nothing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which scents to buy, when to wear them, and how to create a collection that actually makes sense for your life. Picture this. You walk into a department store and suddenly you're hit with this wall of fragrance counters, hundreds of bottles, each one claiming to be the next big thing. The sales associate sprays 3 different scents on your wrist, and within minutes, they all blend together into this confusing mess. You end up buying something expensive that smells amazing in the store, but when you get home, it just doesn't feel like you. I've been there. We've all been there. But what if I told you that building a fragrance wardrobe isn't about finding that one perfect signature scent? It's about creating a collection that works like your actual wardrobe. You wouldn't wear the same outfit to a job interview and a beach day, right? So why would you wear the same fragrance? A proper fragrance wardrobe gives you options. It lets you match your scent to your mood, the season, the occasion, and most importantly, the version of yourself you want to be that day. Here's where most people go wrong with fragrances. They walk into that overwhelming maze of options without any plan. Maybe they grab whatever's on sale, or they buy something because their friend recommended it, or worse, they pick based on the bottle design. The result? A bathroom cabinet full of expensive mistakes. Bottles that smelled incredible for about 5 minutes but never felt right. Scents that are too heavy for summer, too light for winter, or just plain wrong for your personality. And then, there's the opposite problem. Some people find one fragrance they like and wear it every single day for years. While loyalty is admirable, you're missing out on the full power of what fragrance can do for you. Different situations call for different energies, and your scent should support that. The biggest issue is that most people are buying fragrances like they're buying milk, grabbing whatever's convenient without understanding what they actually need. But fragrance is way more personal than that. It becomes part of your identity. Before we dive into specific fragrances, you need to understand how this actually works. When you smell something, those scent molecules travel through your nose straight to your olfactory bulb. From there, they hit your amygdala and hippocampus, the parts of your brain that control emotion and memory. This is why certain scents can instantly change your mood or remind you of specific moments. It's not just in your head, it's literally how your brain is wired. Smart fragrance selection starts with understanding fragrance families. Think of these as the building blocks of your collection. You've got fresh scents that energize you, woody scents that ground you, and oriental scents that add mystery and warmth. The key is having representation from different families so you can match your fragrance to what you need that day. Need to feel alert and confident for a presentation? Reach for something fresh. Want to feel sophisticated for a dinner date? Go woody or oriental. Here's something most people don't know. Your skin chemistry changes throughout the day and across seasons. What smells amazing on you in January might smell completely different in July. This is why having seasonal options isn't just nice to have. It's essential. Let me introduce you to 3 fragrances that perfectly demonstrate how to build a proper collection. These aren't just random picks. They represent 3 completely different approaches to modern perfumery. And together, they create the foundation every fragrance wardrobe needs. First up is Bleu de Chanel. And there's a reason this has become one of the most popular men's fragrances in the world. I discovered this one through my friend Marcus, who worked at a high-end department store. He told me, if you want something that works everywhere and never offends anyone, this is it. Bleu de Chanel opens with this brilliant combination of citrus and pepper. The top notes hit you with lemon zest, bergamot, and pink pepper, creating this immediate sense of freshness that's both clean and slightly spicy. It's like the scent equivalent of a crisp white shirt. Classic, versatile, and always appropriate. As it develops, you get into the heart notes where things become more complex. There's ginger adding some warmth, nutmeg bringing subtle spice, and this beautiful jasmine note that most people don't even notice, but adds incredible sophistication. The base is where Bleu de Chanel really shows its quality. You've got sandalwood, cedar, and this gorgeous amber that creates this warm, masculine foundation. The performance is exactly what you want from a daily driver. You get about 8 to 10 hours of longevity, with the first few hours projecting nicely without being overwhelming. It's what fragrance people call office appropriate. Strong enough that people notice, but not so strong that you're that guy who clears out the elevator. This works year-round, though it shines brightest in spring and fall. For summer, it's fresh enough not to feel heavy. For winter, it has enough warmth to not disappear. It's the Swiss Army knife of fragrances. The genius of Bleu de Chanel is that it smells expensive and sophisticated without being challenging. Your coworkers will think you smell great. Your date will notice it in the best way. It's confidence in a bottle, and that's why it belongs in every collection. Now, if Bleu de Chanel is your reliable daily driver, Ford Oud Wood is your sophisticated evening option. This is the fragrance equivalent of a tailored suit. It commands respect and attention. I first encountered Oud Wood at a fragrance boutique where the owner, Daniel, told me something that stuck with me. This isn't just a fragrance, it's an experience. Most people aren't ready for it, but when they are, nothing else compares. Oud Wood opens with cardamom and pink pepper, but unlike the sharp pepper in Bleu de Chanel, this is warm and inviting. The cardamom adds this sweet, almost coffee-like spice that immediately signals sophistication. There's also rosewood in the opening, which gives it this creamy, luxurious texture. The heart of this fragrance is where the magic happens. The oud note here isn't the barnyard-like oud you might expect. Tom Ford has taken this traditionally challenging ingredient and made it approachable. It's creamy, slightly sweet, and blends beautifully with sandalwood to create this rich, woody core. The base notes are pure luxury. You've got vanilla and tonka bean adding sweetness, amber providing warmth, and vetiver giving it this earthy foundation. The result is a fragrance that's both comforting and mysterious. Here's the thing about Oud Wood's performance. It's intentionally intimate. This isn't a fragrance that projects across a room. Instead, it creates this beautiful scent bubble around you. People have to be close to smell it, which makes it incredibly personal and alluring. The longevity is decent at about 6 to 8 hours, though it becomes more of a skin scent after the first few hours. Some people complain about this, but I think it's intentional. Oud Wood is designed for close encounters, not public announcements. This is a fall and winter fragrance all the way. It's too rich and warm for hot weather, but when the temperature drops, it becomes absolutely perfect. It's date night in a bottle, boardroom confidence, and sophisticated evening wear all rolled into one. If you want something that separates you from everyone else wearing blue fragrances, Oud Wood is your answer. It's for people who appreciate quality and aren't afraid to wear something unique. And then there's Creed Aventus, the fragrance that changed everything. This is probably the most talked about men's fragrance of the last decade, and for good reason. My introduction to Aventus came through my friend Jake, who's always been ahead of trends. He told me, this is the fragrance that gets compliments. I've never worn it without someone asking what I'm wearing. He wasn't exaggerating. Aventus opens with this incredible combination of pineapple, bergamot, and blackcurrant. That pineapple note is what made this fragrance famous. It's fresh, juicy, and completely unexpected in men's fragrance. Combined with the sharp bergamot and the dark sweetness of blackcurrant, it creates this opening that's both familiar and completely unique. The heart notes bring in rose, dry birch, and Moroccan jasmine. The birch is crucial here. It adds this smoky, almost campfire-like quality that gives Aventus its distinctive character. It's like someone took a beautiful fruit salad and served it around a sophisticated campfire. The base is where Aventus proves its luxury credentials. You've got musk, oak moss, ambergris, and vanilla, creating this complex foundation that's both fresh and sophisticated. The oak moss adds this classic masculine quality, while the vanilla keeps it from being too serious. Performance-wise, Aventus is a beast, though it's worth noting that different batches can vary. A good batch will give you 8 to 10 hours, with excellent projection for the first few hours. It's the kind of fragrance that leaves a trail when you walk by. This works best in spring and summer, when that fresh pineapple opening really shines. Though it's versatile enough for year-round wear. It's confident without being aggressive, sophisticated without being pretentious. Here's what makes Aventus special. It's a fragrance that makes statements. When you wear this, you're telling the world you appreciate quality and you're not afraid to invest in yourself. It's become something of a status symbol in the fragrance world, and while that might seem silly, there's power in wearing something that's universally respected. The downside? It's expensive, and everyone and their brother has heard of it now. You might run into other people wearing it. But honestly, if you're going to have a signature scent that gets compliments, this is still one of the best choices out there. Now that you understand these three archetypes, let me give you the formula that will serve you for years to come. This isn't about having 50 bottles, it's about having the right bottles. Your foundation should include 5 fragrances. First, you need a fresh daily driver like Bleu de Chanel, something that works for work, casual wear, and any situation where you want to smell good without making a statement. Second, you need a sophisticated evening option like Oud Wood, something for dates, special occasions, and times when you want to project confidence and mystery. Third, you need a statement maker like Aventus, something for when you want to be noticed and remembered. Fourth, you need a seasonal wildcard. This could be something lighter and more citrusy for summer, or something spicier and warmer for winter. This is where you can experiment with your personal style. Finally, you need something unique that represents your personality. Maybe it's something niche that most people haven't heard of, or maybe it's a classic that speaks to you. This is your signature within your wardrobe. The key is making sure these 5 fragrances don't compete with each other. They should serve different purposes and different moods. When you're getting dressed, you should know exactly which fragrance matches what you're trying to accomplish that day. Here's something the fragrance industry doesn't want you to know. You don't need dozens of bottles. 5 well-chosen fragrances will serve you better than 20 random ones. Think about this like investing in quality clothing. Would you rather have 1 great suit that makes you look amazing, or 5 cheap suits that fall apart? The same logic applies to fragrance. Good fragrances are expensive, but they last forever. A 50 milliliter bottle of quality fragrance can last you over a year with regular use. When you break down the cost per wear, it's actually quite reasonable. More importantly, when you own fewer higher quality fragrances, you actually use them. How many times have you seen someone with a huge collection where half the bottles are barely touched? Don't be that person. Start with 2 or 3 fragrances that you absolutely love. Use them, understand them, and let them become part of your identity. Then add to your collection slowly and deliberately. The real power of a good fragrance wardrobe isn't just smelling good, it's feeling good. When you know you smell great, you carry yourself differently. You're more confident in meetings, more relaxed on dates, and more comfortable in social situations. Different fragrances can actually change your mood and behavior. That fresh citrus scent can make you feel more energetic and optimistic. That woody scent can make you feel more grounded and confident. That oriental scent can make you feel more mysterious and alluring. This isn't just psychological. Remember, scent directly impacts your brain's emotional centers. You're literally using fragrance to enhance your mental state. The key is choosing fragrances that align with how you want to feel and how you want to be perceived. Your fragrance wardrobe becomes a tool for projecting different aspects of your personality. Building a signature fragrance wardrobe isn't about following trends or buying the most expensive bottles. It's about understanding yourself, understanding fragrance, and making smart choices that serve your lifestyle. Start with the foundation: a fresh daily driver, a sophisticated evening option, and a statement maker. Master those 3, and you'll have everything you need for 90% of situations. Remember, fragrance is personal. What works for someone else might not work for you. Take time to sample, test on your skin, and really understand how each fragrance makes you feel. Most importantly, have fun with this. Fragrance is one of life's simple pleasures. When you find that perfect scent that makes you feel like the best version of yourself, you'll understand why people become passionate about this stuff. Your fragrance wardrobe is waiting to be built. The only question is, which scent will you start with? I want to hear from you in the comments. What's your current fragrance situation? Are you team 1 signature scent, or do you already have a collection? And if you could only choose one of these 3 fragrances we talked about today, which would it be and why? Next week, I'm breaking down the art of fragrance application, where to spray, how much to use, and the mistakes that are killing your performance. You won't want to miss it. If this helped you think about fragrance differently, building the perfect fragrance wardrobe is a journey, and I want to be part of yours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, smell and feel good. Stay fragrant.